Now, how do you delete all iPad emails at once? Let me explain it in this video. And if you're new here, subscribe so you don't miss anything important. So it kind of depends on which mail client we are using. As you can see, you have multiple options, but let's go with the built-in Apple Mail, which a lot of people use and are a fan of. So let's get inside. You can see your inbox, where whatever, you can see multiple like email addresses and different categories. Depends on how you have it set up. But if you want to delete all of the emails at once, it gets a little bit complicated because we can click on the three dots and tap on select and just, manually select the emails and such. But that is kind of time consuming, and it's not really the quickest way to do that, as if you have thousands of emails, you're not going to tap 1,000 times to select all of them. So there isn't any way to select all with a click of a button, but we can perform a gesture which is much quicker than this. So you are going to use two fingers to swipe across all of the emails like this. So instead of clicking on the three dots and select and manually tapping, we can grab it like this and essentially you just select them like this. You just keep on selecting, and after some time, until after you reach the end, you will see that all of the emails are now selected. So 96 emails at once I selected without manually tapping on them. And then now, of course, I have the ability to click on the trash folder and I can move it away to the trash. So I literally deleted all emails. No message is selected and I don't really have anything, at least in this inbox. So even if you have thousands, it might take a little bit longer to select them, or you might do it in like a few takes, like perhaps do it 4 or 5 times, but it's still saving us a lot of time since we don't have the select all option for emails. So that is what I found to be the quickest way to make that happen. I hope that I was able to show you how it kind of works, and if you like this type of videos, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next videos as well.